In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on Smart TV. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right there into your Google Chrome. So first, head over to your TV and then locate the Play Store or App Store option. Once you have opened this, it should be able to allow you to install applications on your TV. So for this case, click onto the search bar and onto the search bar, search in here for Chrome or Google Chrome. Either way, you should be able to see in here this, so proceed to click on it. Then click on the this install option in order to install this directly into your TV. With here, you can see how it will look like. Here is a Google Chrome. You can do searches, sign in with your account, translate pages, and do a lot more with the tabs. So with this, you can actually make sure to install this. And once it's done, you should be able to use it directly onto your TV. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.